What's up? I just spent $375 on this Briggs & Stratton 3 horsepower. It needs new linkages and stuff. I got it for free technically. I'm probably just gonna sell this. It's got these two really fat tires and rims. Probably gonna sell these as well. I also, part of the deal, this is the part that I bought it for. Those things were technically free. It was just included. Is I got this cat mini bike. It's got Honda little front pegs on it. The front tire needs a new tube. It's got a Honda 4 horsepower in it. Also needs help with the linkages. Won't start, I don't know why. It's pretty nice though. Brake is good. I mean, I'm not gonna use this motor. I'm gonna put the Predator in it. And yeah. So right now I'm gonna go take the I'm gonna finish taking the motor out of the go-kart, because I'm probably gonna sell that. And I'm gonna sell that. I'm gonna sell the Briggs & Stratton. I'm gonna sell my old orange motor. I'm gonna sell those two wheels right there. And yeah. This is gonna be easy. It's pretty easy to take off. So I'll get back to you when I'm done with that. So I took the motor out of the go-kart. It's right here. And now I'm gonna swap it into here. I'm gonna take this motor off of here. So I gotta take off the chain. The throttle cable is connected. Alright, so I just cleaned up, washed the bike. So the rundown is, I'm gonna try to fix this motor and leave it in the go-kart. And then put this motor, the Predator 212, in the new mini bike. Sell this. Include this with whoever buys this for free, because it doesn't work and I don't feel like fixing it. I'm actually thinking I should try to keep these and see if I can get them on here, because as you can see, these are bald and these are not. So I'll see if I can do that, and then I'll get rid of these in the future. I need to fix this seat. I don't really need to fix much, but I do need to make new holes in it. And I might think about replacing this board because it's split. But depending on how thick it is, maybe I can try using this. And if not, that's fine. I could just go to Lowe's or something, or Home Depot. And let's go take a look at the bike now that it's cleaned off a little bit. It's not bad for what I paid. It's not that bad. $375. I mean, it is a lot of money, but considering how much I was looking at for other ones that didn't come with an extra motor and all that, this seemed like a decent deal. Now it's rough around the edges. I mean, it's pretty old, but for the most part, it's a pretty decent bike. No major cracks anywhere that I can see. The paint is like, it's okay. I would in the future think about sanding it down and repainting it, but that's only a maybe thing because it's not that big of a deal. I need to figure out the front tire situation. So all I need to get this thing good, seat, I need a new carburetor kit, and a tube for that tire. And that's it, and it'll be good to go. So hopefully for whatever money I sell that engine for, I'm gonna try for like 50 bucks on that engine maybe. And then I could deal with this. And hopefully I have everything I need to deal with the seat already. So in total, to fix this thing, I don't plan on spending any more than 60 bucks, hopefully. And 50 of it should come from the other engine, so yeah. Tomorrow, I'm gonna try bolting on the engine. Hopefully it works. It looks like this is like gonna fit. I don't know. If it doesn't, I might be screwed. Because I don't know how to weld and I don't have a welder. So I'm gonna hope it does. But yeah, bye. So I've been forgetting to record, but since the last time I did, I put the motor on and ordered some things. I ordered a new tube for the front tire right here. And right now I'm working on that. Everything's pretty old on here, like rusty bolts. I'm soaking them right now. Rusty tire, wheel, a lot of corrosion. And also I ordered some, I ordered a new carburetor, a PWK carburetor, along with everything else I needed for it, like for the carburetor, like the throttle and all that. What else did I order? I went to Home Depot to get some hardware for the seat and a new board for it. And I ordered a new gas tank that instead of opening up right in the middle right there, it opens up right here. So, yeah. I'm pretty sure everything should be here by the end of the week. Today's Wednesday. So, hopefully I can have it done before the end of break. If not, that's okay, but I should probably end up making another video either tomorrow or the day after. Alright.